Well, oh my gosh, hello friends. It's Amy Frillici with the Gathering Inkspiration Stamp Studio. And today I have been playing with our new in colors. These are the 2018-20 in colors that are going to be available to purchase from our Stampin' Up! Annual catalog starting in June. You can actually, even as customers right now, you can order the ink pads in our new in colors. That's one item that's kind of part of the Share What You Love suite that they're allowing customers to order before the catalog goes live on June 1st. So I'm going to kind of show you everything and get you all excited, and hopefully you'll be like I said, as excited as I am about our new in colors. So let me show you, I'm going to show you the colors first. So this first one is just a really fun bright blue. This one is called Blueberry Bushel. You can see that in the light. And then next we have, this is Pineapple Punch, just a really bright, bold, perfect for summer projects. Yellow. This one is called Call Me Clover. So just like a clover green, another fun, bright color. What else do we have? This one is Grapefruit Grove. You may recognize this color. We use this a number of times because it's part of the Share What You Love suite of products. And then the last one of my favorites, is our lovely lipstick. So just a really pretty, kind of a reddish, like a pinky reddish almost. I always have a hard time explaining or kind of describing the colors, but I'm having so much fun with these new in colors, and I've just kind of gotten to, play with everything. So what else do I want to show you? Oh, I'm going to show you this is our designer series paper. It's a pack of 6x6 designer series paper that comes in all 5 of our in colors. And you can see I used different patterns. I used all of them basically in the different colors. So this one is, first of all, this one is the Call Me Clover with some polka dots and some stripes, and then more polka dots and stripes. They either have kind of a shaded background like those right there, or a white background like those right there. So there's your lovely lipstick. Then we've got Pineapple Punch, and we have Grapefruit Grove, and then last but not least, I love my blues, this is the Blueberry Bushel. So super cute pack. You get 4 of each of these sheets of designer series paper in that pack. The other thing I want to tell you guys about is, actually let me show you. The stamp set that we used is called Detailed with Love. So I used most all of these sentiments. We've got Let's Celebrate, Happy Birthday, Life is Sweeter with Friends Like You, I Love You, and Thank You. And I actually put that little scrolly, I kind of flipped him upside down and put him under that I Love You, if you can see that, that guy right there, right? I know the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about, because I stamped obviously in each of our in colors and then punched the sentiments out. So the 2 smallest ones, I used my 1.5 inch circle punch. On this Happy Birthday, kind of a medium size one, I used the 1 3/4 inch circle punch. And then on these 2 that are the largest, the sentiment was punched out with our 2-inch circle punch, okay? And then from there, I just grabbed framelits that kind of will layer just a little bit bigger behind. So there's our lovely lipstick color, and then a little bit larger still in the Whisper White. So I think that'll make sense. If you were to stamp this and then punch it with the 1.5 inch circle punch, just find the little bit like next larger framelit to punch your Blueberry Bushel, and then the next one larger from there in the white. So, and you can layer that however you like. That's just how I chose to do my layering on my cards. So let me show you, let's talk about measurements, and then we'll go ahead and get started making our card. So we have our lovely lipstick cardstock. A piece of cardstock measuring the 11 inches by 8.5. So we cut it in half at the 5.5, and then we scored it in half along the 8.5 inch side at 4.25 inches. Okay, so fold that, make our nice crisp fold for our card. And then we also have a layer of Whisper White cardstock that measures 4 inches by 5.25 inches. Okay. And then another piece of lovely lipstick cardstock that measures 3 inches by 4 inches. And then that fun designer series paper that measures the 2 3/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches. Okay, so we are going to do our embossing and die cutting, and then we'll stamp and put everything together. So first of all, we are going to emboss with our, this is the, I think it's called the Lovely Floral. I forgot my cover for this, and it's a little bit hard to see probably in the video, but it's that beautiful flower from the Share What You Love bundle. Now, I hope you guys all know that you can order products in the Share What You Love bundle right now during the month of May. It's really the only thing that you can order other than the ink pads, the in color ink pads. You can order those also. But everything else you have to wait until June 1st. So if you're kind of itching to get some new product, the Share What You Love bundles are beautiful. So those would be a great thing to take advantage of. And the bundles are only available during May with the free product that comes in the bundles. After June, you'll be able to order things individually out of the catalog, but you won't be able to get the bundles with the free stuff. So you might want to take advantage of that while you can. Okay, so do you see how I kind of layered? I just wanted to get the embossing kind of on the corner of my card. So I am going to lay it down right on here like this. And I'll tell you, I don't want to put the embossing folder all the way through, because what I found is this edge right here, if I run it all the way through, it kind of makes a crease on my card, and I didn't like that. So I'm going to go most of the way and then crank it back out. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So there, isn't that awesome? And so it maybe didn't emboss quite so much right there, but that's okay because we're going to cover that all up. All we're really looking for is the embossing right on that corner there. Okay. So now I'm going to switch to my magnetic platform. And so this is the piece that we're going to use on our card. We're also going to use it to die cut one of our layering circle, the oval framelits. Let me grab those out of here. So this one is this is the third largest scallop edge. So we're going to put this on here, and we're going to be really careful to keep our edges intact so that we can still use this piece on our card. And then we're going to put, this is going to be the fourth largest scallop edge circle that we're going to use on our white piece. Okay, I hope that didn't move. I was trying to make sure. Okay, so we're going to put our other clear cutting piece on top, cranking our handle. Sorry, this is really shaking. Give me one sec. There we go. We can stop that shaking. All right, we're going to move the big shot out of the way. And then we're going to pop these. So you can see, this is what I was trying to explain. We're going to cover that right up. So you don't even know that we have a huge hole back there, because it's going to be on our card. Okay, we've got our other piece. The only other thing before we can put things together is to do our stamping. So I'm going to move those out of the way. So we've got our new ink pads in Lovely Lipstick. So I'm going to open that. Oops, I'm trying to do that almost left-handed, and that's not working very well for me. There we go. Okay, so we got that guy open. We're going to do our nice easy tap, tap, tap. Press straight down, lift straight up. Life is sweeter with friends like you. Love that sentiment. Okay, so here's our 2-inch circle punch. And we're going to pop that in here. And I want to get that centered so you can barely see those little circles on either side there. Okay. Now I think we are ready to put our card together. So let's see, I'm going to grab my snail. I'm going to run a bunch of adhesive because this is embossed and it tends to kind of be a little bit wrinkly around the edges. So I like to put a lot of adhesive to make sure this stays down well on my card. All right, let's see, there's that. All right, I feel like it's shaking more than it normally is. I apologize. It might be a little bit loose or something. So I'm going to try to go a little bit slower, see if that doesn't help us. Okay, so we're just putting things together here. This is where you just want to be careful to get those edges covered so no one knows we have that big hole back there, right? Okay, I'm going to add some more adhesive, and we're going to pop him right on our card. So super simple. I just really wanted to showcase all of our new in colors and any of the product that I could pre-order. Plus I love that embossing folder. I think that's so pretty, kind of just peeking out of the edge there. Okay. Oh my goodness, I did that wrong. I was wondering, I thought, gosh, I don't remember it going to the edges quite so much. So let's see, can I make this right? Well, you know what? We're going to just do it a little bit different. What's that going to look like? Oh, that's a bummer. So I did the wrong sizes. Well, that's okay. This one's going to be like this instead. You guys will get the idea, right? So I just, here now I'm all like, oh my gosh, what did I do? We're going to put dimensionals behind this guy. Nope, not this one. Behind this one. Here we go. So we're going to add some adhesive here because I like these layers to kind of pop up. And that might help it stand out a little bit more too. We're going to put some dimensionals behind this one. I put quite a few dimensionals behind him because we've got all that ribbon that's going back there. So I'm trying to help keep the ribbon on there with my dimensionals too. Okay, so I just basically ran a few strips of adhesive, and then this is our new, this is the 1/4 inch grosgrain ribbon, and it comes in all 5 of our in colors. So we are just going to I just kind of put that down and then loop it and tack it is kind of the easiest way for me to explain. Okay, and then we're going to loop one more time and tack that down there, and then we're going to cut him off. Okay, and then I'm going to peel off all of our dimensionals. And that's so funny. I can't believe I get too excited about showing you guys these things and then I die cut it the wrong way, but that's all right. It'll still look cute. I promise. It just might not stand out quite as much because I think the white pops a little bit more, but you'll get the idea. Okay, we're peeling our dimensionals off of these guys and gonna pop him. Oh, he still looks cute. I'm happy with it. Then our last step is to add a couple of rhinestones. I kind of covered up those little circles. So we're going to put one right there and then grab another one and put one more over on the other side. And there we go. So see, cute, simple. So you could do it either way. They're kind of fun. Both of them are, right? This one pops out maybe a little bit more, but you get the basic idea. So I hope that you enjoyed all, I'm going to scoot that one out of the way. I hope that you enjoyed all of these cards. I will include details with the other punch sizes in there as well for the small. Actually, those are the small and the medium, and then these are the large there. So I'll include details for everything in the details of the YouTube video. So let me know if you have any questions on anything. I would love if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. You can order from my Stampin' Up website at amysuzanne.stampinup.net anytime. I would love to earn your business. Make sure you hop over to my blog at gatheringinkspiration.com and grab the host code that's on the right-hand side toolbar before you shop, because then I always send you free goodies in your thank you card when you use the host code from my blog. And you know, the other thing I've been meaning to mention to you guys too, if you're interested in stamping with me, I offer to-go kits every single month. You can always get details at gatheringinkspiration.com on the current month's to-go kit. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you all were inspired today, and I hope you're as excited as I am about our new in colors. Yay! So much cute, fun, new stuff to play with. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.